Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. In the last session, we discussed the term business risk. Hope you learned that portions. Today, we will discuss the main objectives of the business. Business objectives are something which a business organization wants to achieve over a specified period of time. It is generally believed that a business has a single objective, that is to make profit and safeguard the interest of its owners. However, no business can ignore the interest of its employees, customers, as well as the interest of the society as a whole. So, the objectives of business can be classified into two types. They are economic objectives and social objectives. Then what are the economic objectives of business? Economic objectives of business are, the first one is profit earning. Earning profit is the key objective of business because owner bears the risk and profit is the reward for risk bearing. In the absence of profit earning objective, no one will be willing to bear business risk. And the next economic objective is survival. Survival objective implies that business will exist on a long-term basis. In business, there are chances of failure due to any unforeseen reason. Therefore, every business pursues survival objective by ensuring that revenues are at least equal to cost. And the next economic objective is growth. Growth objective implies expansion of business volumes over a period of time. Growth is necessary for every business because anything which stops growing leads to decay and its survival is in danger. So these are the main economic objectives of business. Then the social objectives of business are, the first one is better quality products. Business is required to provide better quality products to improve the living standard of the people. The products should be according to the specifications as claimed by the concerned producer. And the next social objective of the business is fair trade practices. Business should follow fair trade practices to ensure that a customer gets exactly the same product for what he pays. Thus, business should not indulge in practices like adulteration, black marketing, underweight, etc. And the next social objective of the business is employment generation. Business should put emphasis on generating employment in the process of performing its activities so that people may get employment opportunities. So, these are the main social objectives of the business. Now, let's discuss the role of profit in business. The main role of profit in business are, the first one is profit is a source of income for business persons. It can be a source of finance for meeting expansion requirements of business. Profit indicates the efficient working of business. Profit can be taken as the society's approval of utility of business. Profit also builds the reputation of a business enterprises. So these are the various roles of profit in business. Now let's discuss the factors are to be considered while starting a business. The first factor is selection of line of business. The first thing to be decided by an entrepreneur is the nature and type of business to be undertaken. The decision will be influenced by the customer requirements in the market and also the kind of technical knowledge and interest the entrepreneur has for producing a particular product. And the next one is size of the firm. Size of the firm or scale of its operation is another important decision to be taken at the start of the business. If the entrepreneur is confident that the demand for the proposed product is likely to be good over time and he can arrange the necessary capital for the business, he will start the operation at a large scale. If the market conditions are uncertain and the risks are high, a small size business would be better choice. And the next factor is choice of form of ownership. With respect to ownership, the business organization may take the form of a sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company, etc. Each form has its own merits and demerits. The choice of the suitable form of ownership will be depend on such factors as the line of business, capital requirements, liability of owners, division of profit, legal formalities, and so on. And the next factor is location of business enterprise. An important factor to be considered at the start of the business is the place where the business enterprise will be located. Availability of raw materials and labor, power supply and services, banking, transportation, communication, warehousing, etc. are the important factors while making a choice of location. And the next factor is financing the proposition. Financing is concerned with providing the necessary capital for starting as well as for continuing the proposed business. Capital is required for investment in fixed assets like land, building, machinery, etc. and in current assets like raw materials, books, debts, etc. Capital is also required for meeting day-to-day expenses. And the next factor is physical facilities. Availability of physical facilities including machines and equipment, building and supportive services are an important factor to be considered at the start of the business. And the next one is plant layout. Once the requirement of physical facilities has been determined, the entrepreneur should draw a layout plan showing the arrangement of these facilities. Layout means the physical arrangement of machines and equipment needed to manufacture a product. And the next factor is competent and committed workforce. Every enterprise needs competent and committed workforce to perform various activities so that physical and financial resources are converted into desired outputs. Here, an entrepreneur must identify the requirement of skilled and unskilled workers and managerial staff. Plans should also be made about how employees will be trained and motivated to give their best performance. And the next factor is tax planning. Tax planning has become necessary these days because there are a number of tax laws in the country and they influence almost every aspect of the functioning of modern business. And the next factor is launching the enterprise. After the decisions relating to the above discussed factors have been taken, the entrepreneur can go ahead with the actual launching of the enterprise, which would mean mobilizing various resources, fulfilling necessary legal formalities, starting the production process, and initiating the sales promotion campaign. So these are the various factors are to be considered while starting a business. So students, let's conclude today's session by recollecting important concepts. Today, at first we discussed about objectives of business. Objectives of business can be classified into two types: economic objectives and social objectives. The main economic objectives of business are profit earning, survival, and growth. And the main social objectives of the business are providing better quality products, fair trade practices, and employment generation. Then we discussed about the role of profit in business. Profit can be considered as a source of income for business persons. Profit can be a source of finance for meeting expansion requirements of business. And profit also indicates the efficient working of business. And then we also discussed the various factors are to be considered while starting a business enterprise. So students, I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. And please note that the notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.